Hello, everybody. This is Mel the Money Coach. Thank you so much for tuning in to my YouTube channel called Mel the Money Coach. So we are talking about lots of fun things like investments into retirement. This is often a lot more popular than getting out of debt because let's be honest, it's a lot more fun to build wealth when you're out of debt, for sure. And it's a lot more fun to build wealth than it is to pay off debt. Yeah, exactly, right? I know. So today we're going to be talking about some simple questions you should think about when you're looking at an investment professional. Now, Dave Ramsey has a lovely network of folks called SmartVestor Pros, so you'll probably hear me say that frequently. So this means, the folks in that program have been interviewed and they undergo, reviews or whatever from the Ramsey team to make sure that they still align with the values of the baby steps. So a couple things you want to think about. I get asked this question all the time. Well, I have this money to invest. Now, how do I figure out who I can trust, where to go, and that sort of thing? So if you need help finding someone, I've got a nice network of folks being a coach that I can connect you with. But if you're trying to, find someone specifically in your area, or the question I get a lot is, oh, well, my parents use this guy and now I'm working with this guy, but he's made some comments that I don't really like and it's not really jiving with my philosophy. So if you're looking for a new guy or gal, I should say, a couple things you want to think about. First, do they have the heart of a teacher? Now, this means, are they willing to explain things to you? One of the golden rules with investing is you should not invest in something that you don't understand. So unless it makes sense to you, then don't do it. Don't just throw your money into some, crazy account that you have no clue what it is or who it does, or just, the guy told you that it's going to work and make you $1 million overnight. Red flag, right? Totally red flag. So make sure he or she has the heart of a teacher. They'll explain to you why this certain account is best or why this certain method works best or doesn't work or whatever. And make sure that, you communicate with them what the communication plan is. It's really nice if you can meet with your investment team, like your money coach, your investment professional, your insurance person, your CPA once a year at least. So make sure you communicate with, that person, what that expectation is, how many, emails or different things you can correspond with them that way. Also, number 2, what are their fees and how do they make their income? So you have to make sure, a lot of folks will charge like an investment fee every time you put money in, and then they'll make a certain amount on the back end. So just make sure you understand that clearly, and make sure you understand, are you going to let me know if the fees go up? How often do they go up? What's the, the trajectory for that? So just making sure that you have a super clear understanding of who it is you're working with, what their intent, their heart is, and that you know what their fees are. So that's what I've got for you today. If you need help finding someone, I'd be happy to help you. And working with me, you'll get, access to my close network as well. So that's going to be great. So I'll see you next time. Bye.